With over 3 decades in the machine tools industry and partnerships with global technology leaders, You Ji has become the #1 choice for global heavy industry machining applications. Now, with our new 155,000 square meter production facilities, we can offer our clients the very largest and best in massive machining for a very wide range of lathes and machining centers. In 2012, our new production facilities have allowed us to expand our production capabilities and capacity. Our dedicated staff from R&D, management and administration, right through to production and testing, now have the perfect facilities to deliver the very best in heavy machining capabilities to our global customer network. Adding to our own accumulated experience over 3 decades, You Ji has also developed long-term partnerships with global leading technology companies to ensure that we deliver the very latest and best machining technologies to our customers. Our development strength is the core of our business. Although we do have a standard range of products, most of our machines are specially customized to meet customers' challenging machining requirements. Our development and design capabilities allow us to respond quickly and effectively to clients' machining requirements to develop the perfect machine with exactly the right options to suit their operational needs. We are working in close partnership with global technology leaders for the development of our high-performance spindle motors and pressure control devices that deliver the ultimate in cutting performance for our customers. Our new production facilities allow us to produce some of the largest vertical turning centers around in volume, while maintaining the strict attention to detail and quality that our clients demand. We aim to machine most of the components in-house to deliver total quality control, and we are always expanding our range of machining capabilities to increase our production efficiency. Quality testing is key for our global customers, and at You Ji, we use a wide range of the very latest testing equipment and facilities along with our experienced technicians to ensure that each and every You Ji machine delivers the reliability, quality and precision that we have become famous for. Over the years, we have built up strong global partnerships with our dealer network to ensure that we can provide rapid and efficient local service and sales to all of our customers, no matter which country they are located in. Many of our dealers also maintain a large parts inventory to deliver rapid maintenance and repairs to keep your You Ji machine running profitably for you.
I'm Steve Ortner, President of Absolute Machine Tools in the United States. We've been the You Ji agent since 1994. We've had tremendous success with their machines in the U.S. market, having installed over 800 of them. And we look forward to another 800 in the coming years.
The basic strength of You Ji is their design. So their product is packed up with wonderful and original designs, and they keep innovating the product very, very regularly, which is quite different from the other machine tool companies with whom we have been working with.
The service from You Ji has been fantastic. We have collaborated a lot with the after-sales service team and also with the development team, the drawing office, the design office has been fantastic. We've really done a lot of development in France for the UG machines.
ユキ工業さんはですね、その日本のですね、いろんな細かい仕様、そういったものをですね、やっぱり前向きに考えてくれてですね、常にチャレンジ精神を持っていただいているということで、私どもはユキ工業さんを高く評価しています。